iHeat tankless water heaters provide energy-efficient, on-demand hot water for your home. However, like any appliance, they can experience common issues that affect performance. The most common issue is inconsistent water temperature. This happens when mineral deposits build up in the heat exchanger or when the unit is overtaxed by high demand. The solution involves regular descaling to remove mineral deposits and ensuring your unit's capacity matches your household's hot water demand. System overload occurs when multiple appliances demand hot water simultaneously, especially with electric tankless models that have limited capacity. To solve this, stagger your appliance usage or consider upgrading to a higher capacity system that can handle multiple simultaneous demands. The cold water sandwich effect creates an unpleasant experience where warm water is suddenly interrupted by cold water, then returns to warm again. This can be fixed by installing a small buffer tank or recirculation pump to maintain consistent water temperature throughout the system. Gas tankless water heaters can experience ignition failure due to problems with gas supply, venting issues, or a faulty igniter component. Ensure proper gas flow to the unit, keep venting systems clear of obstructions, and replace the igniter if it's malfunctioning. Tankless water heaters require minimum water pressure to operate properly. Low pressure prevents the unit from activating and providing hot water. Check your home's water pressure and ensure it meets the minimum 20 psi requirement. You may need to install a pressure booster pump or contact your water utility company. Regular maintenance and proper installation are key to preventing these common issues. When in doubt, consult a qualified technician for professional diagnosis and repair. iHeat tankless water heaters use error codes to communicate specific problems. Understanding these codes helps you quickly identify and resolve issues. The most common error code is E1, which indicates low boiler pressure. This can typically be resolved by repressurizing the boiler system. Always consult your unit's manual for specific error codes and their corresponding troubleshooting steps. Each model may have different codes and solutions. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing problems and ensuring your tankless water heater's longevity. Follow a consistent maintenance schedule. Clean the water filter annually to prevent debris buildup. This simple task helps maintain proper water flow and system efficiency. Flush the system every 6 months to prevent scale buildup. This involves circulating a descaling solution through the unit to remove mineral deposits. The flushing process uses white vinegar or a commercial descaling solution pumped through the system to dissolve mineral deposits and maintain efficiency. Proper venting is essential for safe operation. Regularly inspect and clean vents to prevent exhaust or air supply blockages. Keep the area around your unit clear of obstructions. Check vents regularly for debris, bird nests, or other blockages that could affect performance. Consider upgrading your system if your boiler is over 10 years old or requires frequent repairs. Newer systems offer improved efficiency and reliability. For any gas-related issues, always consult a gas-safe registered engineer. Never attempt to repair gas components yourself, as this can be extremely dangerous.